And Allah Almighty says, O believers, shall I tell you the trade which may save you from painful torment? Believe you in Allah and His Messenger, and struggle in the way of Allah with your wealth and persons. This is better for you if you know. He will forgive your sins and will make you enter the gardens beneath which flow streams and places of purity that are in the gardens of dwelling. This is the great triumph. Surah As-Saf, verse 10 to 12. Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports, he said that it was submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is the best among all the people? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, a believer who fights with his person and his property in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. The people submitted, then who is? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the believer who fearing Allah Jalla Jalaluhu dwells in a mountain gorge and keeps the people safe from his desire. Dwells in a mountain gorge and keeps the people safe from his desire. Dwells in a mountain gorge and keeps the people safe from his desire. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2786.